Good morning, children. For your evening examination, your maths portion is Chapter 1 Large Numbers, Chapter 2 Addition and Subtraction, Chapter 3 Multiplication and Division. And how your question paper pattern will be: choose carries 10 marks, match the following 10 marks, compare each pair. That means you are going to compare the number and write whether greater number or smaller number or both are equal. Find the product. You are going to multiply. Write the numbers in the place value chart. You all know how to draw place value chart, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore in Indian system. Arrange in ascending order, arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Then round off the following numbers. So I have covered all the models. So you start revising all the models in each exercise and solve all the problems. Now let's revise by the exercise. From the exercise problems, if you look at the exercise, your first exercise 1.1, write the numbers in words. How will you write the numbers in words? To write the numbers in words, first you are going to separate it by the commas. From the rightmost 3 digits you will place the commas, then by 2 digits in Indian system. After placing the commas, using pencil you can make a mark so that ones, tens, lakh, you can identify how many columns, how many place values you have. So you have up to lakh. So we write the number name as 88,95,790. If you follow this method, it will be easy. Whenever you answer for a question, you can write the question in black pen and answer it in the blue pen. In the same exercise, your next question model will be write the numbers, mark the periods with commas. After writing the numbers, you are going to place the commas for the numbers. Now look at the first question, 7,22,144. So this is your question and you have written the number. After writing the number, you have placed the commas. 7,22,142. Is it clear? And your third problem is write the numbers in place value chart. 18,500,000. See, I have written the question in the black pen. I have drawn the place value chart. Ones, thousand, lakhs. Then under ones you have 3 separations. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh. Then after drawing the place value chart, you are going to write the number 18 lakh. So in the place of lakh you have 18,500. You don't have any thousand, so in the thousandth place 0. This is how we are going to draw the place value chart. Whenever you draw the place value chart, use scale pencil to draw it and use black pen for writing the question and blue pen for the answer. And next is mark the periods with the commas, write the number names. You all know how to write the number names, am I right? So this is your question 601624 After writing the question, place the commas, then write in the pencil its place value. Ones, tens, ones place, thousandth place, lakh place. So how much you have? 60 lakh, 16,243. And your question number, next question number is write the place value of underlined digit. For a particular digit, they are asking what its number value. If you look at here, the whole number name is 74,02,615. Here the underlined number is 6. The place value of 6 is 600. So this is the next question model. Then your next exercise 1.2, write the expanded form. This is your question 31,24,056. For this you are going to write the expanded form. How will you write? 31 lakh. So this is 30 lakh. So 30 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 50 plus 6. This is expanded form. Standard form means the question will be in this expanded form. You are going to write it in the standard form. Now 5 lakh 2,610 plus 1. So how I have written 5 lakhs 2,611. Write the predecessor. Predecessor means if you subtract 1 from the given digit, 14,32,121. If you subtract 1, you will be getting 14,32,120. When you subtract 1 from the given question, we call it as a predecessor. Successor means when you add 1 to the given question, we call it as a successor. 42,57,128. If you add 1 to it, you will be getting 42,57,199. Compare. I said right, there is a question in the question pattern, compare. They will be given the digits. You are going to compare by the symbol, greater symbol, smaller symbol or equal to symbol. Before comparing it, you can count the number of digits in the question. This is an 8-digit number, 7-digit number. Obviously, 8-digit number is bigger, so you can write the greater number symbol facing 8-digit number. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller number to bigger number. Before arranging it, if you write 8-digit number, 7-digit number, 9-digit number above the question in pencil, it will be easy for you to frame a place value chart. Then here 9-digit is the biggest number. So 9-digit carries up to 18 crore. So you have in a place value chart up to 10 crore. After drawing the place value chart, you are going to write all the numbers in the place value chart. Then you are going to compare which number is smaller. Then you are going to write it in the ascending order. Arrange in descending order means writing from bigger number to smaller number. Make a smallest and greatest digit of the given number 1, 8, 3, 0, 2, 7, 5. This is the question. Greater number means you have to remove the commas. From bigger number you have to write it 8, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Smaller number means it should not start with 0. Before 0 you should write any one smaller number, then you proceed. Exercise 1.3, it carries international system. International system means your place value chart will have ones, thousand, millions. 100 ones you will be having ones, tens, 100, 100,000, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, 100 million, million, 10 million, 100 million. The same thing. They are given numbers in the words. You are going to write it in terms of figures. Then numbers, you are going to write its number name. How will you write? 47,012,675. If you look at this number, ones, this is thousand, this is million. 1,500,273. Exercise 1.4. Some questions they will be asking you to write in both Indian system and international system. That is this model. Then writing number names in Indian system, number names in the international system. When you compare to exercise 1.5, you will be rounding off. How will you round off a number? When they are asking you to round off to the nearest 10. 5,314. 10 means you are going to look at the number in the ones place. 4. 4 is less than 5. So you will be rounding it off as 5,310. Round off to nearest 1,000. 9,211. For 1,000 means you have to check the number in the 100 place. 2 is less than 5. So you will be rounding it as 9,211. Round off to the nearest 1,000 is 9,000. So it lies between 9,000 to 10,000. Since your number 2 is less than 5, you have rounded it off as 9,000. Roman numbers. I already asked you to memorize the Roman tabular column. Do you all remember it? See, 1 means 1, 5 means Roman number will be like this. 10 means like X, 50 means L, 100 means century C, division you remember, so it will be 500. M, million, 1,000. M means thousands. Important thing is C means 100, L means 50, 10 means X. This is very important. And if you remember this, then it will be easy for you to write the Roman numbers. 64. How will you write? You will be writing 60 plus 4. Then 60 can be splitted as 50. 50 you can note it as L and 10 as X, 4 as 1, 4. This is one model. Then addition. For addition you are going to draw like a place value chart. Ones mentioning ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, lakh, 10 lakh. Use pencil scale for drawing the tabular column. After drawing it, write the numbers inside the tabular column. Add it, carryover should be mentioned. Then only I will be correcting it. Without carryover, you should not write the answers. Then subtraction is in another model. Then estimate. How to estimate? 37 you have to round it off as 40. 42 as 40. Required estimated sum will be 40 plus 40, 80. Likewise for 100,000. Then multiplication. Find the product. 59 into 10. How will you multiply now? First, you have to leave the 0 and multiply with 1. 59 into 1 is 59. Then you are going to include the 0. Similarly for 100. 100 means 20. So we have revised almost all the parts. Sit and work out all the problems in your home. Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and these Roman number, memorize it and do the exam well. Thank you, students.